guys, it's your boy Sawyer, and I'm here to talk about what our channel's about. Our channel's about just gaming and tech tutorials, and I'm talking over this gameplay, um, and guys, we are just three gamers. I'm Saw here, as you guys know from a previous tech tutorial, and the other one is Rokiba, the other one is Imran. We are three people, okay? So we like to make gameplay videos, and we just want to do it for fun. We just wanted to try to make a YouTube channel, and our YouTube channel's basically about, as I said, tech tutorials um gameplays and like other stuff like tutorials on how to get free games, and I'm trying to figure out that stuff for you guys. And in the bottomest of our hearts, we are so thankful that we have 17 subscribers and 111 views all in total. And thank you for watching our channel, and we really love your support. And eh, if it would be really nice of you guys to just share our content with your friends. And guys, our channel is basically about this, and we are just trying to make a successful channel. That's it. Because we watch YouTubers and they have successful channels, and guys, that's all there is really to it. So, guys,